Hey, if you are the one who likes to watch movies, one of the favorite storyline normally goes like this. Either the father is a very rich man or the family is a very rich family, and then suddenly you find that the family goes down the doldrums and they're all literally on the streets. And then the hero, who is part of the family, either as a kid or as a young adult, grows up, takes ownership, fights his way through, and then finally he wins, and then he becomes a rich man once again. The current situation that we are going through is almost in similar lines. Many of the businesses, whether you are a MSME, a mid cap, or a large enterprise, there are huge challenges that you are currently facing which has hit your business very hard. It is a fact that we cannot deny that what we are seeing is one of the worst economic situations globally, not just for India. But this is not the time for us to give up. If our favorite hero had given up in the movie would have ended within 15-20 minutes and we would have come out with a sense of dejection. The same is true for us. Are we going to give up? Surely not. We are the heroes in this story that we are going to write for ourselves, the script that we are going to write for ourselves. There are only 3 steps that we need to follow. We need to first weather the storm, what I call as the survival mode. We need to survive the current crisis the way the hero does in the movie. It might take 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. One of the biggest advantage that is currently going in favor of India in this pandemic, in spite of all the tough situations that are happening all over the globe, the image of India as a dependable country has grown leaps and bounds in less than 1 or 2 months, thanks to the excellent proactive measures taken by our central government, led by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and the tremendous good work that many of the states are doing. Overall, everyone worldwide has now started seeing India as one of the most dependable country, a country which can be depended even when in terms of the worst crisis hits somebody. When a crisis comes is when the true character of a person or a government or a nation comes out, and India has come out, is continuing to come out with flying colors. Also, what is adding or standing in our favor is that because of our geopolitical location and how we have handled till now the pandemic of the COVID crisis, we are much better positioned to bounce back than many of the European and US countries are. Even some of the Asian countries are not as well positioned as we are. Added to that, the amount of goodwill, trust, and confidence that we have built up in the last 2 to 3 months, showing to the world how we can work in a collaborative way. All these are like how a hero enjoys a tremendous relationship with his family and neighbors who are ready to help him all the time. All he has to do is to weather the crisis during this time. So the step 1, as I said, is for you to weather the storm or survive. It could take 2 months or 3 months from the time the lockdown is lifted, how you handle the business continuity process and all that stuff that you need to do. There is a tremendous amount of help that is available. And during this phase, you also need to know one thing. When you have surveyed, when you are about to go to the next step, when you are, say, out of the lockdown, when you are going to open the factory again or your business establishment again, it's like going back with a vehicle which has not been used for 20 to 30 days. What do you do? The first thing is to ensure you have a huge maintenance checklist and then tick all the boxes to ensure that the machine is in working condition. You don't straight away go and crank up the engine and start driving out. Likewise, a business which has had some of the setbacks that you have gone through would have a lot of challenges, built up inventory, machines that need to be redone, marketing that needs to be re-strategized, selling techniques that you need to revisit, customer relationship that you have to build all over again, redrawing your IT and digital strategies for the current workplace. There is a lot of area that you need to ensure that for the new normal economy you are ready. For this, many people have worked together, and we have come out with an excellent tool which is called as a 360 BizScan. It helps you to scan your business on 360 degrees, looking from within, looking outside, looking at the supply chain management, how prepared as an organization you are for HR, to IT, to finance, to admin, to inventory, to name anything. We have a very simple, objective, range-based online tool that you can quickly assess, access, to go through a self-checking process. The way you would go to a scanning center to check your blood and other groups. You need to check your business as to whether it's ready for you to step up to the next level when the economy opens up again big time. We have a tool, and you will find the link right in the video or the comment box below this YouTube channel, See Change Online. Visit this, click the link, go through and take the test. This is something which is as simple as a blood test, but the results are phenomenal, where you will find all the areas that you need to make yourself better. And in the next 1 to 2 weeks, if you complete this, you are ready with a blueprint for you to go through the survival phase very easily. The second step we call is called as a stabilize phase. This is when you ensure that the way in which the hero stabilizes his life, you stabilize the business all over again. Ensure that you get in touch with all the customers, look at new markets that you need to expand, and how you are going to relaunch your products and services, how you are going to innovate the way in which you do things, how you are going to become lean, mean, hungry all over again. All that you need to become a stable organization, the step number 2. If you are able to cross the survival and the stabilization stage, which are the 2 stages, now you are ready for launch. All it needs for you is to surge ahead. Now you are completely ready, primed, and then you are ready to run the race all over again. It will ensure that you are in prime shape. It takes about 2 to 3 months for you to go through the phase of survive and stabilize. Once that is done, when the market opens up again with the new opportunities, with the global players looking at India as the preferred destination, exports, imports, all the value chain which people are dependent for them to support the industries in any of this supply chain, whether you are a tier 1 supplier or a tier 2 supplier, the market is going to really open up like never before. We are going to hit economy growth which has been unprecedented, but of course right now it is a slightly gloomy situation. We are there with you. Come, take our help. We'll help to show you where you need to prop up your business for you to first survive, stabilize, and then surge ahead like the way in which a rocket would go for a vertical takeoff. We are there to help you in this survive, stabilize, and surge ahead phase, all 3 phases. Are you ready to join hands with us and ensure that we rewrite a success story where you, your organization, becomes the hero all over again that you were before this crisis hit? We are there to help you. Let's all join hands together. Welcome aboard. Thank you.